attempting to shoot me. Or her E-Daddy. You'll see why I say E-Daddy soon enough. I stayed and watched. Because I want that gun. Genuinely, who the fuck is she trying to shoot? Nothing else interesting happened for a while after this. Later, I see her stupid ass actually shot him and died. At least I got the gun. How the fuck? Later I see the bitches are teaming. And this is just the start of the drama. The other girl has the gun? BTW. Then E-Daddy steps in and says, cry about it, as if I am gonna be mad. Her E-Daddy BTW. I ignored it because the fuck do you want me to do? Rage quit. I got Sheriff the next round and Loki thought about shooting him, but I didn't want to make it worse. And today, for some reason, I sucked at all roles. Let's ignore that. And unfortunately for me, this deadbeat-ass mini was murder. And obviously I died because who the fuck can hit that small thing without being a pro? Open tough. And this E-Daddy was mad because I died. Right, trust me bro, I was mad too. But if you were in my place, you would be dead too, considering that I was going up against a grain of sand. So I decided to respond by saying, what are you gonna do? A-Bennett, because I was too lazy to think of anything better. Considering that this motherfucker is legit level 2, I would assume he can't hit a full 5 avatar. So I speak my mind and say, you're literally level 2 acting like you're a pro. And obviously he shuts the fuck up after that, because he knows I'm right. I won his hero earlier and said, GG! And this bitch said, it's your iPad kid, like what? So I said someone's mad, and that obviously pissed her off. Then she says, at least he's on PC. Girl, I couldn't care less, I have a PC too. If I was 5, how would I be in your age chat? Next question. Apparently she has me added on her name. But I know she's lying through her teeth. Then her E-Daddy finds his brain and asks, something logical.
That one balloonist sucks and is emotionally insecure.
Trump, get the fuck out of here. Anyway, this bitch thinks I'm insecure, because I said it. Oh yay! And she's shooting me, and you think I'm the insecure one.
Can I please voice the girl that won balloon?